Okay, welcome back everyone. Sorry, my iPad ran out of space and stopped recording. So here we are again. Let's go back to problem 5. We had just noticed that GE and GB will be equal because they are tangents from the same exterior point to a circle are congruent. Also, GE will equal GF for the same reason because these are also now tangents to the bigger circle from the same exterior point. So they will be congruent. So I noticed that triangle EGB is an isosceles triangle. So the base angles are going to be equal. So this angle is 60 degrees because this is 60 degrees. So then the third angle also has to be 60 degrees. So if this is 60 degrees and the total angle is 75, I know my measure of angle X is 15 degrees. Now, I also know because these two are equal, so these base angles are going to be equal. My BGF is also an isosceles triangle. And then from there, when I solve for A, I get A to be 82.5 degrees. Okay, next problem. I want you to try this on your own. I have full confidence that you should be able to do this on your own. And if you want to really follow along, here are the answers. Otherwise, pause the video, do the problem yourself, and then come back and check your answers with my answers. I am given BH is a tangent and DF is the diameter. So if DF is the diameter, I know it's going to cut my circle into two equal halves. So my arc DEBF is 180 degrees, and so is the arc DCF is also 180 degrees. First, they're asking me for the measure of BCD, angle BCD. So this angle right here. And to get this angle, okay, couple ways we can do this. I know that this arc is 64 degrees. And this big arc, also I can see that arc DCB, that arc is going to be 260 degrees. So to get angle BCD, I need the arc, this arc BED. So BED is going to be this. BCD is going to come out to be 50 degrees. 50 degrees is what I see that it should come out to be. And I want you to try this on your own. And if you can't figure it out how I got BCD to be 50 degrees, log your questions in the questions part for lesson 10 on the question document. And some of your classmates are going to answer that for you. I'm just going to give you the answers here, and I really want you to try these on your own. BAF, I got it to be 80 degrees. BDA is 40, and so is FBG, and this is going to be, I got it as 98 degrees. One hint I can give you is, if you notice that EBCD is an inscribed quadrilateral, and see how you can use the properties of inscribed quadrilaterals to solve for some of these angle measures. Okay. Moving on, let's go to number 11 together. Here I'm given BG is a tangent to the circle A and BE is a diameter. They're asking me to prove that F is equal to A. Okay, So let's look at the angle F. Angle F is the angle between the tangent BG and the secant BC. So if that is F, I know that my arc BFC is going to be 2 times F, and that is my tangent secant theorem. Also, my arc BFC is also 2 times A, and that is my inscribed angle theorem. Because for that angle A, BFC is the inscribed arc, so it's going to be twice that inscribed angle. So that tells me that 2F is going to equal 2A, or F is equal to A. Similarly, you can prove D and C to be equal because D is now an angle between the tangent BG and the secant BC on the other side. So that will give me arc what did I do? Yeah. Okay, so arc BDC is 2 times D. And also arc BDC is it's a straightforward problem, and the reasons are the same as here, so I'm not repeating it. Now, in what did we learn today? Again, go ahead and copy your theorem that you learned today. Also copy that theorem on your cheat sheet. This is your cheat sheet is going to be a document that you are going to refer to again and again. It will have all the properties and theorems related to circles in one place. Now for the homework problems, I am going to give you the answers, and here are the answers. You can look at the answers. These are very straightforward and easy problems, so go ahead and try and do these on your own. And if you're stuck on any of these problems, you are going to log on to your questions, you know where. Okay. The next thing I want to remind you is this is our first week of doing online classes and learning with these videos. So I have put a feedback form on the Google document for you to fill out. So once you're done with this lesson, please fill that form out and let me know what is working and what is not working, what you need more help with, and where can I rush through some of the things. Good luck, everyone, and enjoy your weekend. I will see you next week when we start lesson 11. Bye.